So this is Migo screen. Okay, you're all aware of this Migo screen. So it is similar to a single screen transaction. Okay, wherein we have header data, item overview, and item detail data. So here we can select the goods received, goods issue, reservation. Okay, the transaction which we are going to execute here, the reference document, purchase order, production order, reservation. Okay, that we select here. So this is execute button. This is check if there is any error. Okay, if in case of if creating any goods movement, okay, we have entered the data, but some data is not available or some data we need to check by someone. Okay, in such case the user has to hold. Okay, if hold option is also available. Okay, they can hold and it generates a document number. Okay, but whatever the data entered, it will be saved. Okay, with that document number. Okay, so next time they can enter the same number, which we can see in the overview tree also. Okay, with the old, it will show the document which are what documents which are under hold. Okay, so that we can open it and we can correct the data and we can post it afterwards. Okay, so here movement type it will show in item overview all the PO related details, right? Production order or purchase order, line items. Okay, which will show here. Okay, here the item. Okay, each item the details data will come here. Okay, here. So this is the Migo screen. So same thing with they have explained in uh, here. Okay, so same thing which is explained. You can just go through it. Okay, so in the overview tree we can see last 10 documents. Okay, here it shows the recent 10 documents. Okay, it shows here.
Yeah, Naveen, since I'm working, if we do any movement,
Hello.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
can be able
You know, it's again breaking. When you start initially, it will break.
okay.
Not sure.
Now can we see now I can able you're
Yeah,
able
I can hear it. Yes,
yeah.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, now I have a question. Since I'm working in the EWM side, so over
Mm-hmm.
there, the goods movement normally we will do ad hoc movements they
Mm.
will call, and we will do the ad hoc movements bin to bin or storage location or article transfer, everything. These movements and all normally I do in my day-to-day basis. So
Mm. Okay.
that will happen directly in the MM or will it not?
No, no, you are saying it is EWM, right?
Yeah, EWM. Yeah,
If okay, because I'm not aware of EWM, but I know WM because EWM is successor of WM, right? Warehouse management.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So whenever there is a WM activated, okay, in case in that case MM inventory management will not have more functionalities. Okay, that will not have anything related to the inventory management. All will taken care by the warehouse management.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so in your case, so considering the same, because of EWM is already available. Okay,
Yeah,
MM will only come till they post the GR and all. Okay, whatever after that, whatever the other means actual stocks
operations.
bin,
Yeah,
yes, all will comes with the EWM. The inventory management will not have any effect because inventory management is very minimal. This one, okay, related to inventory, but warehouse management and EWM are they are specifically they are into inventory, right?
mhm, mhm.
Managing the inventory and how to manage that, how to issue it, and it is at very detail, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's complete, yeah. So they are even going to the bins, right? In bins, in what in each bin, what quantity is there?
yeah, yeah.
Till that level, they go and track the quantities. But inventory management, we don't have because we just specify store location. It may be there in any of the place. In store location, that may be there in the first corner, second corner, any of the corner. We are not sure. But in EWM or warehouse management, we can even track the with the coordinates, right? That is what I know
Yeah,
based
yeah.
on management. So in that case, inventory management is nothing. So EWM will take care of everything.
Okay, okay,
So
okay. So
there
you
only
mean
all
to
the
say,
inventory.
So you mean to say in MM we can able to see the quantities, not the storage location where it is sitting.
Uh, we can see still store location. After that, yeah, all detailed data
Right.
will sit in WM area or EWM area. Yeah.
Yeah, got
If
it.
yes, yes. So this is about the world data. Okay. So when we can use that old functionality. Okay, in the Migo screen that they're explaining, and this is related to when we world. Okay. So how it asks for the a remark. Okay, remark means we can specify some free text. Okay, for our reference. Okay, maybe world one, we can mention world, we can mention the purchase order number. Okay, like that we can give the name and we can save it. Okay, we can also provide the reference. Okay, so that's how. So it will show like this. Okay, you can see purchase orders, it will show orders reservation in the overview tree. Similarly, in the L data we can see our old material document. Okay, next time we can come and instead of entering the data again, so all the data will be already there and saved in this particular old document. Whatever the document or the data we need to correct, okay, we can correct it and we can post it afterwards. Okay, that is the functionality of this old. So SAP Fiori app is a goods movement. Okay, for goods movement we have yeah, post goods movement app. This is the app, post goods movement. Okay, this app is available. I think this app is similar to this Migo screen. Let us see. Okay, post goods movement. I think we are in purchasing. Post goods movement. Slow. This is very slow. We go. Try here. Let me go. So if we can see right here, purchase order, orders, okay, reservations, better documented data. Okay, so we have one PO. Okay, recent PO which is showing here. Okay, we can just double click. Okay, so this we can as a reference. Okay, we cannot display PO here, right? So that's why it
Oh,
is showing. Chosen object cannot be copied. Okay,
cannot able to
it allows only.
copy.
Yeah, yes,
Ah,
yes.
now.
Okay, okay. So this is how the overview tree will show the different documents here: purchase order, orders, reservation, metro document, bill data. Okay, so this is Sphere is very slow.
Naveen, can we say Fury apps is there? Only in S4 HANA the Fury apps is there, right? Not in the US. If the Fury app is there, then that's called the S4 HANA.
Uh, no, no, that is not the only this one.
Yeah.
Even though Fury apps we can also use in ECC. Okay, but nobody will go for it because in ECC also there is this one apps are available. Okay, but uh, why they go for that kind of options means before implementing S4HANA, okay, uh, the end users, right? If they suddenly first they're using this GUI screen, right? This ECC screen, okay. Suddenly, if they transit to S4 Fiori apps, right? Then the user will not adopt, okay, very fast, okay, because their business will get what affected because of the number of orders if they are not able to create it, or they may face some issues related to creating the data, okay, in the ERP system or in the S4HANA. In such cases, what they do, even if they are using ERP, what generally they frequently use the applications, right? For those, SAP also allowed in ERP, in ECC also, they can use some frequently used apps, okay. That is only for actual practice purpose, okay. Once they go into actual S4HANA, okay, for them easy, end users to make them easy to adopt easily to S4 apps. So for that purpose, it is adopted. Even in ECC also, that in that purpose, the organization will go and they implement, okay, the Fury apps.
The main,
But S4, as I already told, not only that option. Hello,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. So not only Fury apps, okay, even uh, Fury apps is for the end user purpose, okay. But here we can see they have made many changes when it comes to the system performance. Okay, in S4HANA, the system is very fast. Okay, and uh, analytical apps are available. More analytical apps are available for management purpose even. Right? They can see the data. I showed one of the app, right, in overview screen, overview purchasing overview. One of the app I showed the initial class, right? So there. Uh, Management can see even what spend we have done for each supplier. They can see how much open purchase order, what is the value. Okay, purchasing means it is the uh, organization has to spend money, right? They won't receive the money if they're purchasing. It is a negative, right, for the finance, right? So everything, okay, they can track, okay, and what contracts which are there, what contracts which they are utilizing, how many are under expiry, okay. So in one page, they can see all this data. This kind of data is not available in ECC. So for the ECC itself, they are added these values. Okay, the Fury apps for the end users, analytical apps for the management, and when it comes to system for consultant, when it comes to consultant, okay, point of view, the system has to perform very fast. And another option is even when it comes to customers, right? Customer, instead of they keeping their server in their places, they can use cloud, right? Cloud option is also available in ECC, that is not there. Okay, using cloud, they don't have to bother about their system. Okay, they can uh, think of their business related things. Okay, instead of thinking, instead of putting more time on the maintenance related to software. Okay, so SAP or the who will be the cloud vendor, right? They will take care, either Amazon, okay, or Google, okay, clouds. They will take care of the SAP maintenance related things, okay. The actual the client, okay, it may be Tata, or it may be Bosch, okay, or Reliance, okay. They don't have to take care of this SAP maintenance and all, okay. This cloud guys, okay, who's managing, either it may be managed by Google, Amazon, whoever is managing, either SAP cloud if they go for, so they manage, okay, they just pay the money for them, okay, for the management or maintenance to the ERP system, okay. Even that is not managed by the cloud, this one clients, right? But in case of VCC, they have to keep server for maybe, if they are keeping each country, okay, if they keep one server, okay, they completely have to take care of that every server in each country, okay. So that kind of options are not there for the business, okay. So client will be uh, uh, put more efforts or towards their related business operations or other things, okay. So like these many advantages which are there in S4HANA, okay. So almost when it comes to consultants, okay, it's performance and the uh, so those kind of things, the changes are there, except that when it comes to the system, okay, the functionalities wise, okay, the changes are less, but they are improved. They are improved and they become faster, okay. That is the main thing. Other than that, we have small changes, okay. Now we have this business partner as come in, okay. That is one change, and business rule framework for the this one messages that has come, okay. Then in material master, okay, they have increased the length of the material, okay, that is there. So like that, small changes are there, okay. But when it comes to, even when it comes to this one, right, the programming, okay, there they have simplified the programs. That is for the for the developer, okay, or the programmer who is going to make the changes, right. For them also it is easy, okay, compared to earlier programs. They have also optimized the program, okay, in S4HANA. So that is also another big change in S4HANA, okay. So except that, all these kind of things are from ECC only, okay. For ECC only, the same thing, because this particular ECC itself is a contains so many functionalities, okay. So it is 30 40 years uh, future, yeah, kind of screens or applications they have come in ECC itself, okay. So same thing they have adopted, and they increase the feed speed, increase the performance, and for that they have added value by bringing the applications, okay, apps, okay. Nowadays all will be known of apps in using mobiles and the laptops, right? So similar way they have come in with the similar approach here as well in the ERP. Okay, let me check. It will work now. It was given post its moment. So this is added, this is there. Add this to purchasing.